Hi, are you an affiliate marketer? Are you a beginner who wants to set up his email traffic list very easily from zero to the way of hero? Then this video is for you. I will recommend you highly to watch the video till the end. So, hi, this is Rahul and you are watching my software reviews. As usually, I will put my link on my description box for the further details, and if you access from my link, then I will give some special bonus offers to you, my lovely audience. So, hi, I am reviewing a special software which is named as Affiliate Star. So, what is the Affiliate Star? So I am at the sales page of this amazing software tool. So as you can see, this has been clearly claimed that it gives you the brand new method which pay you $1,000 per month and feels like cracking the code. Are you feeling frustrated online and getting zero results? Then don't worry. It literally took Philip from seeing zeros in his account to 500 plus dollars per day earnings and how to replicate in less than 10 minutes. Simply, it requires no expensive softwares, it requires no experience, no BS. It is a brand new to- 2021 traffic method which, which generates free traffic and you can enjoy free buyer traffic. It is most p- perfect for the newbies with zero skills, and it is just a copy and paste method that anyone can use. It is a very easy to understand. It is 100% proven to work. It generates sales passively, and it's 100% free traffic, and you don't have to get struggle for getting the traffic. It's 100% beginner friendly. That means that anyone can use this method because, as I have told you, that it's a copy and paste method and it works in any niche could think of. It completed step by step the training process. You don't need a website. That is a very good point, that you don't need to have a website by which you can promote your affiliate products, and you don't have to know the coding or the design skills. It simply is a brand new method that's never been released, that uses 100% free buyer traffic that converts like crazy. So as you are only one click away from hundreds of free viral visitors in as little as 60 seconds. That means this software, the trainers or the experienced peoples have the free access of this free 100% traffic, so you don't have to get struggle for the free traffic even if you have no technical skills and no prior experience. Here's why we have been struggling. These are the reasons most people get get the struggle. Number one, nobody wants to help you for free because, as you know, in today's generation there's lots of competition and no one wants to help you for free. Number two, most methods don't work for the newbies. That means most method requires some experienced people who can access to the technology. Number three, you have been trying outdated methods. That means that you have been trying the methods which are very outdated and all. Every system requires the experience, every system requires technical skills. The information overloaded Number 7, no replies to your support questions, no support from your family and the friends. Too expensive to short or to start. Your dreams of freedom start to fade away. It's a painful reality. More time at home with family, additional cash in the bank, quitting your full time 9 to 5 job, become your own boss. Vacations with your loved ones, living with the laptop lifestyle. The reason most people, especially the beginners like you, are still stuck is because you are dabbling and not taking these things seriously. Just because in this affiliate marketing industry, in this competition industry, if you don't have to get serious, then you are not existing in the whole process method. So now it's your turn to enjoy free viral traffic and sales. Congrats, your search is over. Affiliate star levels the playing field for the small guy who's just starting out. It's designed and built for the beginner to get the viral videos or the viral visitors. And you can effortlessly get the viral visitors without any of the following. The key to real online success is the getting free buyer leads. Here's why buyer leads is so powerful. I think if you are an affiliate marketer, you know that taking such email lists is a very genuine thing, is a very important thing for the affiliate marketer. Email list is so essential for an affiliate marketer to advertise their affiliate product. So here's what this software works. You can work at a less time and spend your time doing the things that you want to do. Making money while you sleep is the ultimate rush and the key to creating a life of freedom. You never look, grab your copy. Step 2, just copy what we do. Step 3, earn money. If you do things the right way, you will get results like this. Here I'm showing you a dashboard, which is a dashboard of a new affiliate marketer who gains a lot of his profit by using this simple method. Do things the wrong way, and this is likely what you will see. If you uh, if you do the things in a wrong way, if you don't have the advice of another experienced one, then you will not get the sales of your affiliate products. So that is the dashboard if you do the things wrong. Now you ask yourself why you need this. Just wait. First, you will get infinity free traffic for your offers. Second, passive income that provides you with the freedom in your life to do the things you want to do when you want to do them. Third, imagine being able to go on the vacation and getting paid for that. So that is a very, very crazy thing for an affiliate marketer to do the job like this. Most people that try internet marketing fail, but why? Most people do a lot of the wrong things when it comes to getting the traffic. Because I think you know, if you are an affiliate marketer, that an affiliate marketer will have to get struggle in the terms of getting the whole traffic. So traffic is a so getting the perfect traffic is a very essential for just plain out don't work. And again, when people who struggles with traffic, it's not because it's all hard. It's because the key to success with the internet marketing is based on paying close attention to the little details. Finally, change your life with highly profitable funnels and hot buyer traffic and the ultimate leads. Live the life you always dreamed of. Quit your 9 to 5 and work from home. Travel the world and be free. Buy new properties and cars. stack cash and build your bank balance, secure your children's financial future, become your own boss and take control of your life. Buyer traffic is how the big names in the world of internet marketing do what they do. Dan Rock, Ty Lopez, and Gary Vee. What our customers are saying. Gary Manson, if it does what it says, I have made the profits and then some. I used this for my high ticket offer and made the sales. Look what the Marine Latin says. According to him, got to admit I was really skeptical about. I have bought so many of these before and they have been not so good, but this one is awesome. Great job here, guys. Larry Sibbon says that one pays of make over $5,000 this month. I have struggled for years to make money online, but affiliate star changed everything for me and I'm finally making money. I'm doing this in my spare time and I'm on space of make over $5,000 per month. Carolyn Cage says that I didn't expect how my simple $16 investment turned into 2,283 in return my list. Affiliate Star is a game changer. I managed to grow my buyer list 3x faster, tapping into the 353 million buyers in just a few clicks. That's I I think you have realized the potential of this amazing software, which can grow you from the zero to almost the $5,000 per month goal achievement. Hey there. So he is the founder of this amazing tool. So he says that, hey there, this is a Mahmoud Afaq. Over the past 5 7 years as a digital marketer, I've tried a lot of different methods. Truth be told, very few of them actually worked, but I kept keeping coming off to the affiliate marketing and list building. So, introducing this affiliate star free traffic to get high quality buyers leads. It's 100% free traffic, 100% beginners friendly, works in any niche could think of. That means you don't have to worry about the niche, but yeah, you have to be more consistent about a single niche. Okay, so complete step by step the training, and you don't need the website, no coding or the design skills required. That's how I explained in some previous minutes. Inside this, you will get find step by step training, learn you how to get traffic for free and make more sales. That means if you access to this platform, to this software, there will be some training for you, that the way you learn how to get the traffic for free, and it is 100% organic and you don't have to spend the extra money and you will get the proper result from this method. So he so he said that he has experimented with nearly 16. If you used even a small percentage of your spare time growing a buyer's list, your financial situation and your lifestyle could change forever. In this brand new PDF, you will see the it's a something that you want to know. If you want a reliable income online, you need to see exactly how to do this and copy. Take a leap of faith and join countless others who use this proven method. So here's the way that you can access, and here's the price for the limited time. As you can see, the regular price will be $97. It will start from $97, but for today it normally costs $17. But don't worry, if you access to my link, then you will get the free access, and you will get the free bonus after purchasing this software. So as you can see, if you click through my link, then you will get these bonuses. Bonus number one, your own money making machine. This complete guide training, you will get to know how to set up a passive profit income. Bonus number two, affiliate star bonus two, your own passive income costs $128 step by step guide reveals how to create the multiple passive income. Bonus number 3, the affiliate star bonus 3, your own Facebook Messenger bot marketing cost, how to leverage this emerging platform. Bonus number 4 and the bonus number 5. Okay, so I will not keep this video too much longer. So thanks for watching this video till the end, where I have shown you such free bonuses. If you click my video, then please give a thumbs up and press the bell icon that you don't miss out my software reviews. And with that, I am leaving a link on my description box from where you can check out all the details and where you can check out all the bonuses. So till then, see you in within the very short period. Till then, bye bye.